It's okay. It's okay, Daddy.
Gotta let it go, baby. Help, help, help. Alicia.
Oh.
地龟，你在想什么？地龟？哎呀，哎呀！
Hey, what is this? What you think you're being a little dramatic?
Look at this fucking bullshit. What the fuck? Do a flip!
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Ah! Oh my god, pumpkin, pumpkin! I was just gonna say, oh!
是吗？
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Sometimes. Oh.
Say mama. You say mama. Oh, good girl.
Are you saying I might actually have something to offer this investigation?
Hey, show me your pretty nails. Ooh.
Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
Go commit crimes. No, not that one. Not that one.
Oh my god, you're pregnant. Oh my god, congrats.
I don't know. I feel like it's kind of mean to keep them inside for their whole lives. But that's just my opinion.
Alright, good night, Gally. Alright, Mac. Good night, Bob.
Can you hold on?
What? What? Is your food bowl empty?
How much more of a circle can you be?
Hi.
You're a cat. How do you even understand what I'm saying? Oh my gosh. Okay. Should I get a dog?
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so.
Oh. I just want to make sure you're okay. You're not plotting anything, are you? Okay, I love you.
Really, Jim?